Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Jessica, and today I'm cleaning up after Christmas, taking down all my Christmas decor, getting everything clean and fresh for the new year. So happy new year everyone, and I hope you enjoy this video. So first I'm getting started by cleaning up after Christmas morning. I didn't clean on Christmas at all. So I'm picking up all of our gifts and Madeline's helping me put everything in the rooms that they go in. And then I brought down all my bins from the attic. I do store all of my seasonal decor in the attic in little plastic bins like this. So I am going to put all my Christmas decor up, clean everything really good, and then go ahead and get it all ready for the new year. And I did do a little bit of decorating and changing things up just a little bit, but I really like how it turned out. So just make sure you stay tuned to the very end to see that. I did end up going to the store and buying a couple more bins because I had bought new stuff this year. I do plan to go through my old stuff at some point and donate it because there's a lot of stuff that I'm not going to use anymore that I just didn't get rid of. I kept, but I need to do that. But I didn't want to do it on this day because I had already done so much, but it is on my to-do list. And this is the bin that I keep my kind of like year-round / spring decor in. So this is where I had put all my stuff when I decorated for fall. And now I'm getting it back out. And as you can see, there's like flowers and things like that. So I do have a bin that's for like my all year-round decor, if that makes sense.
Long run now, red Corvette and my drop top down, calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone, falling and I'm a whip, yeah, out in fast, going hard in the pit, yeah, I still ball in the pitch, yeah, something wrong with the picture, something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why you need to lie, something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why, how do you get by? Way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cashed else, I just wanted him to lose you. Damn, puffing on that bullshit Uncle Sam's. Who'da thought that he would understand? And I just never fall out, I just wanna win. I'm in it for the long run, I do this on my fam. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why you need to lie. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. I've never been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry.
So now that I have everything cleaned up, it is time to dust everything off and give it a good cleaning before I put everything back in its place.
Keep thinking how we love you feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me.
So before I get started really getting into the cleaning, I wanted to let you know that the new year brings a new deal from Grove Collaborative, and I really do enjoy Grove Collaborative and what they offer. And I got this set with the geranium scent, and I really like it. It's a really nice floral scent, but they have this new matte bucket, and I love their little buckets because you can use them to organize different things. I have one in our bathroom. I have like magazines in it, and I love the Mrs. Meyer spray. I use it all the time. So if you sign up using my link, you will get the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray, the hand soap and the dish soap, and the new matte bucket. And for existing customers, you will get some of the walnut sponges. So if you're interested in that, check out my link. I do love Grove. I'm not just saying that because I work with them. I was a customer before I worked with them. And if I stopped working with them today, I would remain a customer. I just love the stuff that they offer. So definitely check that out. And if you have any questions, I would be happy to answer them for you. And that's my little robot vacuum. His name is Harry because he picks up all the dog hair, and I love him so much. So as I was redecorating, I changed my mind a million times and I moved things around and I had to stand there and decide, but I didn't film that entire process because I felt like it would be a lot and kind of boring. So I wanted you guys to know though that I don't just look at a space and just magically know how to decorate it. It does take some time. I do move things around and experiment with how I like them. And a little tip for you is if you move something somewhere and you're not sure if you like it, leave it there for a week. If it's bothering you and you're not sure after a week, then go ahead and change it. After the week, if you like it, then you know that it's good to go. And that rule of thumb has always worked good for me. Okay, so now I'm about to blow your mind. For those of you who don't know this hack, you're going to love me after this. So take some painter tape or some tape like this and run it across. If you have like a picture frame that has these two hangers like this one, which they're so annoying, I hate when they do that. They're a pain to hang, but after this, you will see how easy it is. So run it across the length, take your nail and punch a little hole where you're going to put the nail holes in the wall. Take the tape off, put it on the wall. I use a level. I have a level on my iPhone. Probably most phones these days do. If not, you can probably download an app. But I'm using the level on my iPhone to make sure that the tape is straight across on the wall. And once that is good to go, I put my nails in and hammer them on through the tape where I put the holes. And then I just take the tape off and I hang the picture, and it's done in 1 minute. It's awesome. I love this hack. So you are welcome. I just wanted to share this with you guys because I decided to move this picture downstairs. It was upstairs. It's not new. I got it at Kirkland's, but I did move it downstairs, and voila, it is level and good to go.
To escape, and here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car.
So now I'm going to wipe down my blinds, and I'm just using the lavender pine salt and water mixture, and I have it in a Mrs. Meyer's bottle because I went through all my apple cider, so I just put that in there. I love using pine salt. I love the original and I love the lavender. It smells so good. So I was just using a microfiber cloth in that to wipe down my blinds really well. They are dark, so you can really see the dust on them. I regret that decision every day of my life. I wish I would have just went with white, but they are pretty. They're just a pain to keep clean.
Play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical.
I decided to keep my Christmassy blanket. It's not really Christmassy, but it does kind of have like the deer on it. I don't know. I got it for Christmas, but it's the best blanket ever. It's by Eddie Bauer. I got it at TJ Maxx. I'm going to see if I can find a more everyday one there because I love that blanket. It's really big and really heavy and thick and just really nice. So I did go ahead and just leave it out for now because I enjoy it so much and it still is winter, but that's why that's there. I just wanted to let you know it doesn't really match, but it's really comfortable. So I just didn't have the heart to put it up just yet. And I'm using my Bissell Crosswave. I get asked about this a lot. I have a video dedicated to a review on this if you're interested. And I do get asked a lot, like, are you still using it? Do you still love it? I do still love it. I do still use it. It's more of a weekly type thing because it's a deep clean. I still use my mop and bucket, but this comes out when I want to do a real good deep clean. But yes, I absolutely still love it and I definitely recommend it. After the summer achievements, I got a long sleeve. Supposedly, think about it. In reality, you're running out of options. Starting to see the coffin with the Bible preach. I'm way ahead on private beach. My hair bleached on the cover of a magazine. I got the flavor doing push-ups on the coca bean. Doing all the things you can't imagine what it might be. I come and go like a round. They don't want it to be going nah, nah, nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The room is in my lab, yeah, I'm running with the cash. I'm coming go like a round. Putting in a word like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, working in the mold like I'm running from the pole. If you're interested in anything in my home and where it came from, I do have a home tour, so you can check that out and it will hopefully answer your question. But I'm all done. Again, I'm really happy with how it turned out, especially my fireplace. That's probably my favorite. This table drives me crazy. I'm always changing it up, but I'm happy with it for now. But I am definitely happy to have my house kind of back to normal. It seems so fresh and clean. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for all of your support throughout 2018. My channel has really grown and you guys are just so awesome, and I hope to have nothing but good things this year for Keep Calm and Clean. So I would love to have you join our little family here. Make sure that you click that subscribe button and then click the notification bell next to it. YouTube has been unsubscribing people, so try and check periodically to make sure you're still subscribed. But definitely hit that notification bell so that you will be notified. A lot of people aren't even being notified when I upload, so they don't even know. And my views have went way down and it's super discouraging. So I'm trying to go into this new year reminding you guys to make sure you have all your settings the right way and all that good stuff. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time.